write a Python program that performs a RSA algorithm, RSA encryption algorithm and a decryption using the cryptography library. So what I am doing, first I will install Python software. See, my screen is visible. Go to Google. If you are having laptop, please install. Type Python software. Python software. Then go to welcome to Python org. Click this URL. Go to downloads. See here, Python 3.11.3. It is the latest latest Python software. See, I am downloading. It is very simple. Now, once downloaded, go to downloads folder. See here. Now, double click, all of you. Double click. Select add path. First time if you are installing. So I have already installed a 64-bit setup in my laptop. Please, all the participants, please install Python software. Very simple. First time if you are installing, there is a in this snap you will get add path. You can select add path in this widget. You can select add path, then install. Once install, see, I'm already installed. I'm selecting few more pre-compiling libraries. Install. It takes only 1 minute. Please complete installation. Then I will show you a small program how to demonstrate. Then I will execute all sort of practicals now. So any doubts, my dear participants? 386 participants are there. So please ask me doubts. So it is installing pre-compiling standard library. Every week they are updating this software, Python software. It takes only 1 minute. So once completed this one, you can check whether my software is installed properly or not. Now see, modify was successful. Now I'm going to run command cmd. My screen is visible, sir. Please acknowledge me.
Yes, sir.
11.3. It is the latest version. See, if you are new to Python, very simple. I'm going to show you simple programs first. Then we will go to execute all sort of machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Don't worry. Any doubts, if you are having, please ask me in the chat box. See, now the latest version is 3.11.3. Now, in order to clear the screen here, you can use command like import os, enter, os.system of CLS. You can use within the double quotation. You can clear the screen. Now see, I'm clearing the screen. Now I'm writing program here. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. Very simple program I'm going to show you. To perform all arithmetic operations using static input. So hash is a comment section. So now I'm reading static input means we are assigning the values. Input value of A equal to 3. Input variable B. So A is a input variable, B is a input variable. I'm assigning with 4. Then C is equal to A plus B. Then D is equal to A minus B. All arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication. E is equal to A star B. F is equal to A division by B. B is equal to A modulus by B. Now check all the values of C. Output variable C. 7, D, -1, E, 12, F, 0.75, and G modulus 3. So this is a simple program I have executed in IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. Now same program, Python can be executed in two ways. It is a IDLE. Now I am going to demonstrate a scripting way, same program, how to execute a scripting way. So if you want to shift from IDLE to scripting, you need to use switch. You need to use command as quit. Quit parenthesis begin, parenthesis close. Now see. Now you can clear the screen, CLS. I'm clearing the screen. Now I'm creating a same file in a scripting way. Python can be executed in two ways. Notepad, I'm using just a notepad space, mlrit.py. One file name I'm creating, mlrit.py. So I'm creating one empty file. So hash, write a Python program. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Yes, sir.
To perform all arithmetic operations. It is a simple program. Then afterwards, I'm going to show you big programs. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations using dynamic input. Now I'm changing dynamic input. So I'm reading through keyboard. Input variable A is equal to int of input of. Okay. So enter value of A. Enter value of A. I'm reading through keyboard. Then B is equal to int of input of enter value of B. Enter value of B. Okay. So once you read the A and B values, then as usual, C is equal to A plus B and D is equal to A minus B, E is equal to A star B, and F is equal to A division by B, and G is equal to A modulus by B. Now print addition equal
joined.
addition
Hold a second, sir. In the group,
output variable C and print one small
ML,
program. After that,
FDP,
go to the other
ML,
section of
RIT.
applications. My dear participants, don't feel if you
FDP
know
at ML,
for
RIT.
remaining students, for remaining faculty, I'm showing one sample program. That's all. Subtraction equal to, okay, what is the output variable? D. Then print multiplication. Multiplication is equal to E. Then print division. Division equal to F. Then print modulo division equal to G. So now I am closing the C. If any error is there, it will throw error. Now I am executing the Python programming. See, Python space mlrit.py. Now it is asking enter value of A. I am reading enter value of A 3. Enter value of B is 4. Now it is performing addition 7, subtraction -1, multiplication 12, division 0.75, modulo division 3. My screen is visible, sir? Hello, sir. My screen is visible? Yeah. Yeah. Now we are going to see the now we are going to see practicals on cyber security applications. Yeah, first program. See here, my screen is visible. Write a Python program that performs RSA encryption and decryption using cryptography library. You need to install. Okay, you need to install like in the Python. If you go to see here, I'm going to show you how to install. See, pip install any library. Suppose NumPy. See here. Okay, already I have installed. Next, pip install. Suppose you are taking data set. So pandas, you need to install pip install pandas. So I have already installed. Pip install NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. Pip install, I have already installed. So pip install, likewise you can install number of libraries. sklearn. So pip install sklearn. See? Likewise, pip install Keras. Any libraries you can install. Pip install Keras. So already there. Pip install TensorFlow. It is very big library. See, I have already. Okay. So this command it is asking. Okay. So I need to install pip. Yeah, it is installing 2.1 MB file. Now, yeah. Now see, notepad space RSA algorithm. See, Python program that demonstrate the RSA concept. See, just I'm import random, import math. Okay, so generate two random prime numbers, check if a number is prime, then compute the greatest common divisor of two numbers, compute the modular multiplicative inverse of a number, generate the public and private keys, then encrypt a message using the public key, decrypt a message using the private key, generate the keys, encrypt and decrypt message. Now I am going to execute Python space RSA.py. Now see, what is the public key? 5, 2,27,971. Private key 90,749. And the original message, hello world. Now encrypted message. Can you understand this one? See, original message I have given hello world and encrypted message. And decrypted message I got it hello world. This is a first application.